Breaking news. It's happening. Court ruling on Electoral Act divides Senate. Hello, my wonderful people. You know, we've been bringing you up to speed that the Senate has not responded in terms of how Malami has taken, the National Assembly to court. And Nigerians are shocked, saying, exactly what is the job description of the National Assembly if they cannot stand for what Nigerians want? The National Assembly vehemently said no with one accord and threw Buhari's request out back to him. Guess what? One of Buhari's appointees, called the Abubakar Malami, AGF, tagged Attorney General of the Federation single-handedly while Buhari was in the UK, took the National Assembly to court with some judge who himself alone knows how they agreed. And the judge said, no, that portion must be expunged. And immediately Malami took it on board and said, I have to quickly implement the court order, my dear. He cannot believe his luck because right now, National Assembly, is taking the next decision on this very matter. Nigerians have been wondering, are you guys really rubber stamp or you don't know your job description? How come none of you are speaking? Well, let's see what's happened today at the Senate. Breaking news. Court ruling on Electoral Act divides Senate. Senators are apparently divided on Tuesday over a call for the Senate to debate a federal high court ruling that declared Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act as illegal. Trouble started when Senator George from Rivers State, while relying on orders on 10 and 11 of the Senate standing rules, led his colleagues through the various functions of the three arms of government, what it stands for, and how one cannot interfere on the other or impose its position on the other. He took a detailed time to explain to the House what the section order 10 and 11 of the Senate standing really means. He argued that the ruling by the court, which nullified action of the National Assembly, was a bad precedent that must not be allowed to stand. He said if allowed to stand, future action of the parliament will be challenged in court by interested parties and we will have no voice. Sikobo urged his colleagues to suspend other legislative activities, embark for the sitting and debate on the issue. He said, this issue before us is very important. Those who went to court to challenge our actions didn't include us as an interested party. We were not even aware there was a matter even in a court. They secretly went there for their own purpose. Suddenly, we were told that a judge has given an order from the Federal High Court to immediately expunge what we decided. This is dangerous, and we need to take a position immediately. This is important to guide against such occurrence. The debate on the matter was, however, deflected and the debate on the matter was, however, postponed to Wednesday by the Senate following diverse views on the sad ruling to destroy democracy in Nigeria. Of course, democracy in Nigeria is being destroyed before our very own eyes. Where selfish men and women will go on to do things that are of their purpose, interest, and how they feel. And if it does not stand or agree with how they feel, then they fight against it like baby, the naughty too, when they begin to throw tantrum and throw themselves all over the place and looking at this baby saying, what's wrong with you? Say, no, 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 I want. As soon as you give him the toy or the phone, then he runs away. Exactly what is going on, in Nigeria today. Exactly what is going on. No difference at all. Attorney General did not even inform the House that he was taking them to court on his own. This is an appointee. There are three arms in government. You don't impose yourself on another. They are there for a purpose so that there is orderliness in government. Otherwise, the Senate that arm of government will have no voice. I repeat, no voice. And because of religious sentiment, region sentiment, those who should say the truth are watching their hands, seeing democracy being thrown to the dogs. A time will come. Senate will put a law, and guess what? They will straight away take it to court and say, no, we don't want such a law. We don't want such a law. Arms of government are there for a purpose. And if everybody quiet and nobody speaks up to defend the cause of what makes the very fabrics of the nation, guess what? There it is, gone with the wind. So the time to act is now. The time to speak up. You know, Malami, if you know what Malami has done in this nation, if you have a clue, okay, some of the things that we don't even have an idea about, fear of God will catch you. Such a man. And guess what? He's supposed to be the dispenser of justice, honesty. But everywhere and anyhow he can, he tries to bend the matter in such a way for his own, for the way that pleases him. It tells you the kind of person he is on the inside. It tells you the kind of person he is on the inside. It tells you the kind of mindset he has. It tells you that this is the kind of person this guy is. You see, Nigerians, the people we call leaders, because all this started from Buhari. Buhari appointed him, believed that he should be one of those who should be able to speak out for what is right. Sadly, is he speaking out for what is right? The question is there for us to answer for ourselves. Listen, guys, unless we begin to stand for truth and we begin to form bodies, okay, and stand for truth and say, this is it. Come rain, come shine, we stand here. This is our stand. On this matter, we go nowhere. They will take us for what they take us for. The electorate are fools. They can't say anything. How can you be telling me the electorate blah 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 blah? They don't care what happens to other people. I can tell you, they don't give a they don't give a they don't give a they don't give anything about. They don't care. Like care is out of the window. They don't care. Like sincerely, seriously speaking, they don't. So when you look at it, you know what we are talking about. You know. So now so the matter they reach also. Senate today divide. Say no. We can't allow that. What do you think, my people? Are we going to continue like this? Leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. God bless you. Have a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye.